Hello friends. Today I'm going to share a very important topic of twist therapy. Twist therapy is given to us by a Professor Park Jivu. By just twist of the fingers, we have got very beneficial effects if you do it in a proper way. In this video, I will just give you tips how you can get relief in some acute issues. In my experience, which I have shared with many people, small tips of just twisting the fingers, they have got relief in gastric issues, in their brain thinking directions, and even some anxiety issues. So you can use these small tips and really help yourself and others. So I am sharing here few tips which are very useful. First of all, if you feel any stomach issue, any gastric issue, use ring finger of your right hand. And if you have any brain issues, if too much of thinking is there, then you can combine little finger of left hand and the middle finger of the right hand, that is the brain. Then too much of wind is there, then too much overthinking, then this left hand little finger will help you. And when you press both the twist fingers, you twist both the middle fingers of the left hand and right hand, it really helps you to think in the right direction, because the left hand middle finger belongs to the direction, finger number 7, and finger number 8, middle finger is finger number 8. So when you are not thinking in the right direction, that is why you are getting worried and anxiety, because we need not get worried because the direction has become wrong. So when we twist the middle finger of the left hand, it will really help you. So try twisting the two middle fingers for brain issues. These two fingers will really help children also to think in the right direction. And when they are using too much of mobile and not listening to parents, many parents complain about it. So this simple tip can really help you. And if you are having too much of anxiety, then you can use left hand index finger. And sometimes too much of nervousness is there. If the child feels very nervous just going for the exam, or some people have the tendency of getting nervous, at that time use ring finger of left hand. And if you are feeling claustrophobic, at that time you use right hand little finger. It really helps. In any issues, when you're not understanding anything, you can just twist the thumbs. This will be very effective in any problem. You can just try this. So how to twist, I will just share now. So friends, you must try these small tips and get relief. So see carefully how I am twisting. First of all, if suppose one is feeling anxiety, then I will just use this finger and I will twist towards the left and towards the right. And the side which gives me relief, in this is a painless therapy, okay? So the side which gives relief, suppose if I am twisting towards my right and I am feeling pain, that means then again I will try to twist towards the left. Now this side is giving me relief, so I will hold it towards my left side for 30 seconds. For 30 seconds just keep holding it and then just leave it. After leaving it, Just take 4 deep breaths and repeat this 4 times. Immediately you will feel better. So you can try these tips. It is really helpful. For if someone is feeling very restless and the heart is beating very fast, at that time you can use little finger of the left hand. Even if anybody is not remembering which finger to use, you can just try to twist all your fingers, and that time also you will feel better. Why? Because there's a congestion of energy. And when we twist the fingers, immediately the energy gets shifted. And this is the most powerful way to immediately shift the energy, more than the magnets or needles or any seeds therapies. Twist therapy is hetero. It works very fast. So do try these small tips and you will really get benefit out of it. Share with others who are not even knowing Sujok. For general people, for your relatives and friends, do share. So friends, we can avoid our day-to-day painkillers also by trying these small tips, and we can be free of so many acute issues. These twist therapy will help you more in acute problems, but yes, we can also do, there's a very deep study about twist therapy. I will share in other videos also. So do try this with your fingers. Smile, thanks.